sit and think about how you can hit the scene. Take one look inside your mirror, clear to see. You need to find yourself as honest as can be. There must be 50 ways to make a record. Now don't get wrapped into the hype and what they think. This shit ain't rocket science. The scene changes the beats, and now you ask yourself how you want to be seen. There must be 50 ways to make a record. He's up inside the clubs, they like to lean and ride low. Stands around and looks intrigued by what he saw. Now he asks me how we can make good songs to reach the top. There must be 50 ways to make a record.
So I'll do it.